welcome to Leng-Leng's Moment. Hello Leng guys! Welcome back to Leng-Leng's Moment. So to those who are new to my channel, my name is Leng and I'm a Filipino nurse, and I've started making this vlog roughly about a month ago to share my personal experiences regarding my application to United Kingdom, England. So in today's vlog, we will be talking about the visa application for a Tier 2 or skilled worker visa. Again, I have divided my topics into 4 parts. We will be talking about the documents that you need to prepare, the step-by-step process, how to schedule your visa appointment, and your visa appearances. Okay. So to start, we will be talking about the first part, documents that you need to prepare. First is, if you're applying for a Tier 2 or skilled worker visa, of course, you need the certificate of sponsorship. So this will come from your employer. So after you submitted your English requirements like OET or IELTS, and then once you pass your CBT, and once you've registered with NMC, you need to submit those requirements to your employer, and then they will process for your certificate of sponsorship. So that depends. There are employers who can process for your COS as early as like 1 week, 2 weeks, but most of the employers usually about a month bago mo ma-receive. Like in my case, after I passed my CBT in June 24, I received my COS in August 3. So June, July, August. So roughly about a month or about 40 days before I received my COS application. So number 2 requirements that you need to submit is your proof of your knowledge of English. So ano ba yung proof of your knowledge of English? So that includes your IELTS or CBT. Vlog, I've mentioned that OET is already accepted in UK. So you can submit your OET test as long as you have grade B on all subtests, except in writing. You need to get at least C+ in writing. And then the third thing that you need to prepare is your valid passport. Of course, passport is important, no? It's also important to check the validity of your passport. So if your passport will expire, let's say first quarter of next year, I suggest you renew them as early as now. I think allowed ata ang renewal of passport as early as 6 months to 1 year. I'm not sure. You need to check that. Then of course, you also need to submit your UKTB test. Ito na yung in-apply mo sa IOM. That's also in Makati. So UKTB screening test, kasi sa UK they're really scared, of tuberculosis. And Filipinos, we all know that each Filipino has 1% TB, diba? So you need to present that you have a normal chest x-ray findings and that you're clear in your UKTB certificate. Another thing that you need to submit is the NBI or the police clearance. Ako, I uploaded my NBI. Hindi na ako nag-request or hindi na ako nag-apply for police clearance or barangay clearance and all that. NBI is more than enough. And then lastly, if you've lived in more than one country, you also need to submit police clearance for each country. So if you're a nurse and then may mga previous experience ka, let's say sa Saudi or sa Dubai or anywhere outside the Philippines, then you need to submit a police clearance from each country. So important. Let's go in now with the step-by-step process. regarding payment ng visa, it depends on your employer. In my case kasi, my employer paid for my visa. When I reached the payment page, I saved my application and then I sent my UKVI account link through email to my employer together with my password para ma-access nila and they'll be the one to pay for it. Sa contract, I guess na nakalagay doon was they will pay for 230 pounds for my visa application. Pero yung total visa application na binayaran nila was 334 pounds. So, care of employer yon. Again, depende yan again sa employer mo when you apply to UK. And then once it's been paid, you will then receive an email confirmation na confirm na yung payment, then you can proceed with setting your appointment with VFS Global. So, once your application has been paid, there's an option there where you can download and print your supporting documents checklist. You will be needing this when you go to your visa appointment. And then, you can now book your appointment and you can also download a copy of your application form. Okay, so next is the visa appointment. For the visa appointment, again, once confirmed na yung payment, you will also receive an email from VFS Global. Nakalagay doon yung reference number. Kasi you cannot create an account with VFS Global without the reference number. And makukuha mo lang yung reference number once bayad na yung visa application mo. Go to your login account, you need to put your reference number and then your email ad. And then once you get to the website, you can then book your appointment. You can select your appointment date and the venue. So here in the Philippines, we have 2 venues that you can choose from. So you can now book your appointment, select venue, and there are actually premium services which you can choose from. Sa akin, I chose the bronze package. Although you can actually download your documents without payment, no? Pero kasi I don't want to take the risk. It's my first time to apply for the visa application. So, sa bronze package kasi included na doon yung document scanning, courier, SMS service. So, ayaw ko na mag-isip ng kung ano-ano pa. Like, and the cost for the bronze package nga pala is 1,772. So, kaya naman sa bulsa. But, if you want to do it your own way, you can actually do it. May option naman doon sa site na you can download your documents and then when you go to the, to VFS Global, diretso ka na. Parang i-double check na lang siguro nila yung mga documents. And then, once you've booked your appointment and choose mo na yung venue, again, you will receive an email confirmation regarding your visa appointment. So, you need to print that as well because you will be bringing that to VFS Global. Kasi yun yung hahanapin sa'yo if talagang may appointment ka dati. So, lastly, let's go now with the visa appointment or visa appearance. VFS is the only accredited parang body to process for visas for those who are applying for UK, Australia, New Zealand, yun. So, sila lang yung pwedeng mag-process ng visa. Okay, so now to visa appearance. It's so funny kasi I thought, pagpasok mo doon, puro Briton yung makikita mo. Hindi pala, puro mga Pinoy actually, even doon sa mga windows. And they're all very accommodating. So, sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko na application sa UK, yung visa appearance actually is yung pinaka walang hassle sa lahat. Yun pa naman yung parang inisip ko na, oh my God, baka like, I was thinking same sa US visa, no, na parang may interview pa, tatanungin ka pa, how much do you earn, or ano ba yung mga, iba pa yung mga, what are your plans, or what's the purpose of your travel to UK, mga ganun. I thought meron pang mag-i-interview sa'yo sa window, pero hindi pala. So, lahat ng mga documents mo, as long as kompleto yun, then, gora ka na, visa, ano na kaagad yun, visa approved na yun kaagad. So, hihintayin mo na lang yung passport mo na dumating kung ipapasend mo siya sa courier or for pick-up. So, yun. So, visa appearance, number 1, you need to bring the appointment form, and then you also need to bring your passport, and then yung mga supporting documents na in-include mo dun sa visa application mo. It's also important to bring a barcode separator, which I will be putting nga pala sa description box para you can so that you can download the barcode separator. I also suggest to bring a small bag lang. Ako, I brought lang talaga yung wallet ko and cellphone. Bawal atang magdala ng charger kasi I have a friend or a colleague na nagdala siya ng backpack and then may charger, pinaiwan talaga, and the payment for your things, no, is parang 75 pesos, so sobrang mahal. Although there are people there inside, no, na nagdala ng mga backpack, but then siguro wala silang charger, kaya pinapasok, okay lang din. Basta, yun, bawal siguro yung may mga wire-wire and all. And after that, biometrics ka na. You can actually go inside the building even if it's not yet your appointment time. So ako, ang pinili ko na appointment time was 10:30 a.m. So, 9:30 pa lang, pwede ka nang pumasok sa taas actually. Pwede ka nang pumasok, but there are, kasi may chairs naman doon sa loob na pwede ka doon umupo. At least aircon, di ka mahirapan. But they will still call you by number. So, ayan. For example, if 10:30 yung, yung appointment time ko. So, usually tinatawag yan mga 10:15 or 10 o'clock. Depende kung konti lang yung mga nag-apply sa harapan mo. So, they can accommodate you at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Yun. And I placed all my documents sa blue na clear folder. And mind you guys, dapat naka-arrange na siya, naka-place na siya per barcode separator. And then, tanggalin niyo lahat ng mga stapler or clips. Meron naman instruction doon sa barcode separator na kailangan nyo tanggalin lahat yun para dire-diretso. Yung sa akin kasi 10:30 yung appointment time ko, pero 10:30 din talaga ako na-accommodate kasi yung mga may appointment mga 10:15, 10, yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa naka-arrange yung documents nila. So, kailangan pang i-arrange. Alam mo yun, medyo nade-delay yung process kasi nga hindi nila pinalo yung step, yung process or yung paano i-arrange yung documents. Pero okay lang naman kasi yung checker, yung mag-check ng documents mo, babae yung sa akin, and she's really accommodating, no? Even if yung nasa unahan ko hindi naka-arrange, siya pa nag-arrange ng mga documents. And then after that, papapasukin ka sa loob, there's a certain parang area naman doon, na doon mo hihintayin yung number mo. Yung parang parang makikita mo kasi doon sa tapat ng mga cubic ng window, nandoon yung parang number, parang sa Pag-ibig or sa saan ka mapupunta, yung mga ganyan na number, lalabas, mag-appear doon yung number mo kung ikaw na ang next na pupunta sa window. And then, they will also give you parang yung sa LBC na form, kasi LBC yung mag-send sa'yo ng passport mo. That is kung ipapasend mo siya through LBC, or kung pick up naman, I don't think they will give you na the LBC form. So yun, hintayin mo na lang na pop up yung number mo sa screen. So once pop up na, lapit ka doon sa counter, and then they will just ask you what's the purpose of your why are you applying for UK visa. So sagot mo lang for work, ganon. Tapos tanungin nila what's your work, sabihin ko ako I'm nurse, ganon. And then, ang tinanong lang sa akin if tama ba yung address kung saan ko ipapadala yung visa ko, yung passport. So, I said yes. Tapos, pinapirma lang ako ng resibo doon sa kung saan ipapadala, sa LPC. Yun na. Next nun is biometrics. So, punta ka naman sa next na room, day mo na naman papap yung number mo kung turn mo na. And then sa biometrics, isi-scan lang yung mga fingerprints mo, tapos yung picture mo, and then you're done. I think natapos ako for 1 hour, and that's it. Super walang hassle, super ganda ng service nila. So, there you have it. Yun yung total visa application na ma-share ko sa inyo. So, if you have other experiences na hindi ko nabanggit, please feel free to comment down below. And if you have friends na nandun na sila sa part na mag-a-apply na sila sa visa application nila, you might wanna share this vlog to help my fellow nurses as well. Okay, so thank you again for watching. If you haven't clicked like and subscribe, please to do like and subscribe. Road to 50, malapit na tayo sa 50 subscribers, guys. Yeah! Tingnan, patikabot na lang. So, road to 50 subscribers tayo. So, lahat ng gusto magpa-shoutout, please feel free to comment down below, and then I will do that on my next video. In my next vlog, we might talk about IOM, or I might be talking about my flight experience at the UK, because my flight is this coming October 12. So this is 5 days from now. And I'm really excited na, guys. Hopefully, negative tayo sa RT-PCR. We also required to submit negative PT serum. So, yun yung mga importante. Yun yung mga last hurrah. And our flight is on my flight is on October 12 via Etihad Air. And we will have a 3-hour layover in Abu Dhabi Airport. And then, after that, diretso na to Heathrow Airport in London. And then, afterwards, we will have a 10-day quarantine in London bago kami magdadiretso sa hospital where I will be working from. Yon! So, wish me luck, guys, and I hope to see you in UK. Bye!